Hi, welcome once again to your favorite channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and today I will be sharing with you an inspirational story of true sportsmanship in the international arena of Olympic sports. Before I begin that story, let me tell you about an award given in the Olympics over and above the gold, silver, and bronze medals. Are you aware of it? It is the Pierre de Coubertin Medal, or also called as the de Coubertin Medal, or True Spirits of Sportsmanship Medal given in the Olympics. This medal is awarded to athletes, former athletes, sports officials, sports promoters who exemplify the true spirits of Olympics or through their efforts have rendered exceptional service to the Olympic movement. This award was instituted in 1964 in memory of Pierre de Coubertin, who was the founder of the International Olympic Committee and the second president of the same. He is called as the father of the modern Olympics. Pierre de Coubertin was very impressed by the ancient Greece Olympic Games, which allowed only amateurs to take place in these events and not professionals. And Pierre de Cardin, Pierre de Coubertin also believed that these games can serve as a bridge between cultures, support peace, and help in avoidance of war. Pierre de Coubertin's thought was that the important thing in life is not the triumph, but the struggle. The essential thing is not to conquer, but to have fought well. His whole idea was sportsmanship, and true spirits of games must prevail in all Olympic Games. Based on his ethos, this award, the Pierre de Coubertin Medal, was instituted in 1964 in honor of Pierre de Coubertin and his ethos of sportsmanship. Now, there have been multiple winners of this award throughout the ages. But one person whose sportsman-like spirit I would like to share with you, he was the fifth winner of this Pierre de Coubertin medal in the Olympics, and only the second man to win this award in the games that he was participating in. His name is Laurens Lemieux. Laurens Lemieux was born on 12 November 1935 in Edmonton, the capital of Alberta province of Canada. He became a sailor and he participated in two Olympic Games. He competed in 1984 Summer Olympics in the star class as a sailor, and he competed in 1988 Summer Olympics in the fin class as a sailor. Laurens Lemieux became famous for his sportsman spirit. It was during the 1988 Summer Olympics that Laurens was participating in these races. At Busan, which is 450 kilometers away from the South Korean capital of Seoul, where the Summer Olympics were being held. It was for the Finn class and the 470 class that the races were going on. Suddenly, the wind picked up to 35 knots, and Lawrence was on his fifth round out of the seventh round required for deciding the medalists. Now, when he was halfway through the race and he was coming second, he noticed that the Singapore team had been shipwrecked, and both the members, Chan and Siu, had toppled out of their boats, were injured and required assistance. He rushed to their assistance. He left the race. He rushed to their assistance, picked them up, waited till the patrol boat arrived, saw to it that they were put on the patrol boat, and then he rejoined the race. He came in the 22nd position in this particular race because he had left the race to support his fellow competitors in the true spirits of the Olympic game and the true spirit of sportsmanship. Seeing this, the International Yacht Racing Committee reinstated his position to the second position for only this race. Overall, when all the races were finished, Lawrence Lemieux stood 11th. He did not win the gold, silver, or bronze medal at the 1988 Summer Olympics. However, he was called on the dais and awarded the Pierre de Coubertin or the de Coubertin medal, or the True Spirit of Sportsmanship medal, which is given by the Olympics Committee. The then president, Jean Antonio Samaranch, awarded Lawrence this medal and said, to Lawrence that by your sportsmanship, self-sacrifice and courage, you embody all that is right with the Olympic spirit games. Lawrence became only the fifth person to receive this award and only the second to receive it in the games he was participating at. Much later, in 2012, when Lawrence was asked about this missed opportunity at the Olympic Games of him losing a medal, probably because of this incident, Lawrence said, "Sailing is not internationally recognized as much as other sports. After putting on years of efforts, the recognition which comes in is very less. However, it is amazing that even so many years after I won it in 1988, people still talk about it, and that is the true value of the de Coubertin medal or the true spirit of sportsmanship medal which I won in 1988 during the Seoul Olympics." What a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful example of the sportsmanship spirit, of the Olympic spirit. It's all about doing your best and about taking care of the other sportsmen who are also there along with you to compete and win with all fairness. To be able to see yourself in the mirror Winning is not all that important. What is more important is to have competed well and in all fairness. If you like my inspirational stories which I share with you, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon so that you will get all updates as and when I upload new videos on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Thank you. Till I see you again with another inspirational story on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck. All the best.